In this example, we're going to use surface flow to cut the face of this solid. Then we're going to generate a surface, and we're going to show you how the surface will generate the tool path to follow this shape exactly in a nice flowing motion. First, let's create our tools and our processes. So we'll create a tool, ball mill, 1/4 inch. Bring down our tool, bring over our surface flow process, surface flow cut, 30 thou steps along the long edges. Next we'll turn on our face selection. We'll select the face of the solid and we'll say do it. What you'll see now is that the tool path runs up and down. What we'd really like is to get the tool path to flow along this shape. In order to get that to happen, we're going to turn on our edges and we're going to create a surface. First, I'll go to my geometry palette and I will extract the outside edge and the inside edge. I'll use these 2 points, create a line, and this will become my drive curve line. Next, we'll go over to our surface palette. We'll select our swept sheet. We're going to use the outside piece of geometry as our base curve, the inside as our guide curve, and our line as our drive curve. And we'll say do it. Now we've created our sheet. What we need to make sure is that the sheet side is correct. So we're going to check the sheet side. Every sheet has a plus and a minus side. Plus being the side we want to cut, minus being the underside of the sheet. In this case you'll see red, which means we're on the minus side. If I was to put my toolpath on this sheet the way it lies now, toolpath would be on the wrong side of the sheet. We need to flip the sheet over. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the sheet. I'm going to go to modify, toggle sheet side. Now you see that the sheet is blue, which means we're on the positive side, and the toolpath will then be correct. Let's go back to our tools and our processes. We're going to use the same parameters, however we're just going to select the sheet this time and we're going to say do it. You'll notice how the sheet now controls the toolpath, gives us a very nice flowing toolpath. We only have 2 retracts and it is a much cleaner and nicer toolpath.